girl checking it all out is Miss Manya. Just went for a walk. The house train. Owner surrender. I don't know why. Come here. The beautiful, like dark brown coat. Come here. Hey, pretty girl. Who's a pretty girl? And she's a rock star in playgroup. I've been told. She's a greeter dog. So that's quite an achievement. She's watching one of the drivers unpack some stuff. Look at how gently she takes treats. Can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. Sit. We don't know how to sit, but then we know how to wag tails and take treats gently. She was just about up on the bench giving me some hugs and some kisses. Come here. Yeah, hi. You gonna come up again? Yeah, such a good girl. So pretty, so sweet. So this is Miss Manya. She's at Manhattan Care Center. Just a gorgeous little girl. Beautiful, shiny brown coat. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Yeah. And she's looking for a new home. Look how sweet she is, Miss Manya.